Hello members of Tumble Math class. I saw this particular question trending on YouTube and I believe I should not be left behind. The only thing, I changed the values. We are given a right triangle here whose hypotenuse is 17 centimeters and we asked to find the area of the right triangle given that the perimeter of the triangle is 40 centimeters. So how can we get started? First of all, I would like to label this as A and this as B. So let's start with the perimeter. The perimeter will be A plus B plus the other side, which is 17. But according to the question, the perimeter is 40, right? So this is 40. And A plus B is equal to 40 take away 17, which is exactly 23. Therefore, A plus B is equal to 23. Next, the area. Should I write it first? I think not necessary, but let me write it here. The area of this triangle is going to be AB divided by 2. That is half base times height. Now I would like to square this A plus B. If I square that, I have to square the other side. 23 squared. The binomial expansion of this will be A squared plus B squared plus 2AB equals 23 squared is 529. 529. Again, I think Pythagoras will help us here because we know that according to Pythagoras, A squared plus B squared is equal to 17 squared. But we have A squared plus B squared here, which we can remove and replace with 17 squared. I think I don't have to write it. Remember Pythagoras, this squared plus this squared, which is A squared plus B squared, which I can see there, is always equal to 17 squared according to Pythagoras. So therefore, this is 17 squared plus 2AB equals 529. What is 17 squared is 289. So I can take it directly to the other side. I have 2AB is equal to 529 minus 17 squared, which is 289. 289. I don't want to waste my time trying to simplify all of these things, which is going to give us 240 exactly. 240. This is 2AB. But observe, we can break out this from that. How? Once you divide both sides by 4, observe, if you divide this side by 4, you divide the other side by 4, the left hand side will be equivalent to AB divided by 2, which is the area that we are looking for. So I think, should I manage it here? Let me manage it here. If we should divide 2AB by 4 and divide 240 by 4, can you see that 2 will divide 2 one time and it will divide 4 two times? So we have AB divided by 2 equals, this is 60 exactly. Therefore, the area of this triangle is equal to 60 centimeters squared, as simple as that. And if you want to find out, I already know that I formed the question, so I know that this is what? A Pythagorean triple, which is 8, 15, 17. So you can use 8 and 15 to find the area, which is going to be half of 15 times 8, that is 8 times 15 divided by 2. Half of 8 is 4 and 4 times 15 is 60. So I formed the question intentionally.